Hello, so we are back today with another mukbang Q&A. Like I said, if you guys want me to just strictly do mukbangs, make sure you leave your comments down below. But as you guys can see on my left hand side right here, the menu is actually listed for you now. So I did try to switch it up and do kind of like a little bit of a layout, I guess you guys can say. Hopefully you guys like it. Make sure you thumbs it up. So we are doing Haitian mac and cheese. I did the Crockpot chicken. If you watch my What I Eat in a Week video, I did show you guys how I do my Crockpot chicken. And then I do have some nice fried plantains, guys. So I'm super excited about this. And I am obviously going to answer a few of the Q&A questions that you guys asked me on IG. If you don't follow me on IG, guys, make sure you guys go ahead and follow me on IG because it's lit. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and get a fork and knife because I completely forgot about that. And what we're having to drink is just some water. And we're also going to have the bubbly, and I love the apple flavor, so I got apple. Alright guys, let me show you quickly what the food looks like up close so you guys kind of get a whole look. So there goes your chicken right there. And then you got, look at how nice that is. I'm probably not going to eat the whole thing, but we're going to try to eat as much as I can. I did the Haitian mac and cheese and I used bigger noodles this time just because I wanted a bigger bite. And there goes my fried plantains. Obviously, I ate like 2 already. I'm not even going to lie. I ain't going to lie. So we're going to do bubbly, like I said. Might as well just open it because I think people like this. Honestly and truly, my nails are so freaking long. So that's how we're going to have to pop it open. Y'all hear that? And I did go ahead and get a matching green straw because you know how to do. And I do have some hot sauce because I put the hot sauce on the plantains because I like it like a little spicy. I was going to get avocado, but my avocados aren't ready right now, so I got to just forget about that. Did go ahead and get me a fork. So I'm going to start off with the Q&A questions, guys. Now, all the questions, I'm just going to pop them up here so you'll see who asked me the questions. If you don't follow me on IG, like I said before, make sure you follow me on IG because then you'll get to get involved, if you know what I mean. So the first question is, where should I stay after surgery with Dr. Shulman, New York City or New Jersey? So if some of you guys don't know, I had my surgery last year with Dr. Shulman, and Dr. Shulman did my smooth tuck with my fat transfer, and he did a great job. And he's actually located, guys, in New York City. I think it's like Lower East Side. Lower East Side. And he's a really good doctor, guys. I know a lot of you guys went and did consultations. And some of you guys actually got surgery, so congratulations to you. But I would say, since you live, if I lived in Connecticut, I would have went back home. So, oh wait, I guess you might be a traveler. So I would say if you're traveling out of state, like far away, like traveling from like Florida to here to get the surgery, I would say stay in New York. But if you like live in Jersey or something, or like live nearby, then you could just stay at your house and just travel. But if you're far distance, I would say just stay in New York because that's where he's located. And speaking of surgery, you guys are not surgery. Oh, my surgery. You guys keep asking me for a post-op video. So I'm gonna do the post-op video, guys. I've been kind of trying to get all the ideas out, like on my idea videos. If you guys watched my video yesterday, it was me talking about my nursing and what school well, I didn't say it was I actually put it in the comments. Someone asked me and I told you guys the school I went to, or what school I'm attending now. And I told you guys, you know, my path, where I started, where I'm going, and stuff like that. So make sure you guys watch that video. So, like I said, I'll try to give you guys the post-op video, but it's just taking me some time because I'm trying to do other videos that you guys request. That's kind of a video that's going to happen, you know what I'm saying? So, when you guys ask me to do like skincare routines and kind of like a morning routine, those are videos I want to do because you guys are requesting those like often. Like, those are videos that you guys really want. Like, the post-op video is going to happen, so ask me for other things, you know what I mean? So, I am working on that. So, the video should be out in a few weeks, guys, so just give me a second. Now, the next question is, what is your favorite meal to eat? So, clearly, y'all know I'm Haitian, so I'm going to go with my natural roots. Not just because I'm Haitian, but just because I love the food I grew up with and my mom cooked. So, I have to go ahead and tell y'all legume de blanc à sauce poire, with the black sauce poire. Baby! Okay, that's a meal. Okay? Oh my god, my teeth are clean. I hate when people's teeth like hit the floor. And I'm exhibiting all those traits right now, so I'm so like embarrassed. But whatever, we eating. So look at that tender meat. Yo, Crockpot chicken. You guys see all those juices? So yeah, my favorite meal would be white rice, sauce pois, and decoded. I'm telling you, I'm decoded. White rice, sauce pois, and legume. Decoded means like the rice with beans already cooked together. Sauce pois is just your separate beans, your white rice. And then legume is more like vegetables. They put beef in it, but when I make it with chicken. And it's bomb. Like, You could also do with seafood too. Some people put crab in it. And it's bomb, yo. If you're Haitian, and even if you're not Haitian, if you know like some fun recipes or your favorite food, leave that down below. I know a lot of people that are non-Haitians that absolutely love it. And you'll probably say your favorite meal is probably like guyo. On the low, Haitian patties are bomb. The best Haitian patty that I like is the mole patty, the fish patty. Oh, and the thing about Haitian patties, no shade to any other patties from any other country, but Haitian patties has like this delicate, like crispy, flaky crust on top. So it's just so freaking good, yo. Like, seriously. Savage mode. Let me go ahead and find another question for you guys. And then it was like, okay. So, the next question is, how can businesses reach you for collaboration? So, on my IG, if you guys go on my IG, I actually removed the email portion. There's a lot of hacking going on. There's been like a lot of hacking going on lately, so I've been like really scared. Lovely Brianna was hacked, but she got her channel back, so thank God. And Trendy K's channel got hacked too, and I don't even know what's going on with her channel, but it's crazy, and it's kind of like, you don't know what links people are sending you, and to be honest with you guys, sometimes I don't even open the DMs because I'm just that scary, like, you know what I'm saying? So, I don't put the email in that section anymore because hackers can get to it. They'll send me an email and I'll accidentally open something, and you know, just know me. Sometimes I don't be paying attention. Sometimes you got your phone in your hand and you accidentally hit a button, opens up this, you sending pictures to somebody, you know what I'm saying? So in my head, I'd rather just not take the risk, because right now, since it's Rona season right now, hackers are really at their highest point right now. A lot of people are getting hacked. So to avoid getting hacked on IG and to avoid getting hacked on YouTube, I don't open the emails. I don't open anything, because that's where the hackers lie. And sometimes when they send like these weird links on YouTube as well too, they can hack you that way. But YouTube has changed a little bit, because they now block comments, and they'll ask you to review it, or if they already know it's a little funny, they'll delete it themselves, or they started deleting a few hacker pages. So it's getting better, but I can't take no chances, especially I gotta protect my business. So but I'll leave my email down below if you want to send me something. If you watch this video, I'll probably leave the email there for maybe a few days. No, I'm just joking. I'll leave it down below for you guys. I also think I might leave my P.O. box down below. I haven't been there in a while, obviously, it's Rona, but I'm having a wig sale soon, so I want to at least open the P.O. box in case you guys want to send me something, and in case any of the packages come back, they will end up coming back to my P.O. box. So I gotta check that anyway. So to answer your question, I'll leave my email down below. But I am scary city when it comes to Hackerville. And just to everyone, be careful. Make sure you have your two-step verification added. Make sure you're not opening anything that you don't know. So it's really eye-opening. Like, I'm seeing people that I know. Like, I know that it happened to. So I'm scared. Like, I know you like how I mashed the straw with the bubbly. I don't know. Some people don't like apple flavor. My boyfriend hates the apple flavor, but I think the apple flavor is really good. Am I showing you guys my password on the phone? What, Tom? What are you doing? All right. So the next question is, what's the most annoying thing about being a public figure? I wouldn't say anything's annoying. No. Sorry. So I would say the only thing that I feel is annoying is that people sometimes feel like they could just say whatever they want to. Like, I'm not supposed to clap back. Listen, I'm a regular ass person just like y'all. If y'all gonna come out here trying to clap at me or trying to be disrespectful, I'm gonna give it back to you. I'm just being honest. Like, if it's a regular day, if I was walking down the street and you said something crazy to me, I'm gonna say something crazy back to you. So it's just the same thing. I kind of feel like, especially when you're on the internet, people just feel like there's a lot of internet trolls, a lot of people that want to be bullies on the internet. But like, I'm not gonna say I'm a past fighter. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not saying that I would still fight now, but I'm saying I don't talk about people, you know what I'm saying? I don't like look to start drama with people. And I feel like people that look for drama, they'd be like the biggest punks ever, you know? And it's kind of like, you're popping all that shit, but like, could you really handle drama or beef when it comes face to face? And I just feel like a lot of people on the internet like to be trolls like that, like to pick on people and do real messy things. But in my life, it's like, bro, if this was a face-to-face, you wouldn't say none of that stuff. I guarantee you wouldn't. So I just kind of feel like people just need to lay off with that. And I always say this to you guys, coming from my perspective, being someone that watches YouTube videos, watch YouTube videos before I started doing YouTube videos, I would never go in someone's comment section and be ugly. Why did you watch the person's video to be ugly? So honestly, that's probably the only annoying thing. It's just kind of like people think that you're not supposed to stick up for yourself, or people feel like, oh, she's rude, she capping back, oh, I don't like her anymore. You don't like me because you didn't expect me to give you that type of energy. But the same energy you gave me is the same energy I'm going to give back, period. So, that's the only annoying thing to me, but I can handle anything else. Like, sometimes I really honestly and truly laugh at people. And I actually, there's another question in here that actually talks about that. I honestly and truly laugh at people when I see stupid comments, because it's just kind of like, who has time and energy to waste gigabytes talking? Why? So the question that this girl asked, like, how do you handle haters that you have to deal with, work, school, family, etc.? I don't really pay attention. I'm telling y'all, I don't really care. Especially, I feel like if you've been on YouTube for a while, or if you've been on YouTube for a while and you're just in the public's eye, you kind of start building a backbone where it's just kind of like, I don't give a fuck. Like, I don't care. Go ahead and say if you want. Like, and I'm not saying, you know, you always have to have a balance between that. You have to have like some type of confidence and a little bit of cockiness, but don't overdo it. You know what I'm saying? Because like, you don't want to be that person. But honestly and truly, I don't really care. I don't. It's just, I feel like it's such a waste of time of being negative in the comment section or being negative to people. When I was working as a nurse at my jobs, there was always one person that just had an issue. And I'm not saying, I'm not a perfect person. I probably do annoying things to people. My boyfriend tells me I'm annoying all the time. But I just kind of felt like in nursing most of the time, like there was always an issue. And I don't know if it's because it's populated by females. I don't know what it is, but there's always drama. And I don't care, I'm being honest, there's always drama. And sometimes the people be like, oh, well, we added more male nurses to the staff or to the population of nursing, then all this drama would be like really low. And to be honest, I know that sounds bad, but maybe it might work. Because from my experience, the nursing world is drama. And for the ones that's watching that gave me a hard time when I was coming up in nursing, I hope you're watching this video and thinking and looking at yourself and thinking like, really, did I have to be that crazy with her? Yeah. So when I first started working as a nurse, I had a lot of BS. And at that time, I was starting like a little bit of YouTube videos. So I had about like 20,000 followers on YouTube, 20,000. So at that time, some people had already started watching my videos at my job, and that became an issue all the time. A lot of the time at my jobs, I would end up like interviewing to the job, and then I'll be on the floor, or I'll like go walk into a room, and then people would start noticing who I was. So it became more like annoying, because you'll have people, and I know if you're watching this, sorry, gotta say it. It become annoying because it's kind of like, I want to do my job and I'm sick and tired of people asking me to do their hair. I'm gonna be honest, like, that to me was annoying. Look, I'm working and you guys are asking me, oh, can you do my hair this week? Clearly I'm working. Like, I have a lot of things going on. I don't do hair all the time. And when I was doing hair before, I didn't do it all the time. So it was so annoying. So it, like, my YouTube life and my my nursing life was getting conflicting, mixing together, because people were like messing up my workflow, to be honest. So I don't know. But at work, I had a few drama with some people, but Well, nothing crazy. I'm somebody, like, if I don't like you, I'm not gonna talk to you. I don't play fake. I'm not gonna laugh with you. I'm not gonna sip wine with you. I don't do that kind of stuff. If I don't like you, then I don't talk to you. And I would expect that if you don't like me, don't speak to me. And that's the thing about people. Fake people that don't like you, they're fake people. They're always gonna try to talk to you when they don't like you. I don't do stuff like that. So if I don't like you, you will get the cold shoulder. You will not get no looks, no stick, nothing. Because I don't, that's just being real, right now, right? Why not live your true, real self, right, guys? Because that's what we're practicing in 2020 since we're having a rough time right now. Speaking of, stay home, guys. Wash your hands. When you go to the grocery store and come back home, wash your hands, clean the products off. Keep that cleanliness up, guys. Keep it up. So I'm gonna answer one more question for you guys. I might try to bite the comb, but last time I did it, the whole entire thing like broke. My big ass bite broke it. I got ice cream all over my mouth, embarrassing. Let me see if I got a napkin over here. So the question is, when this pandemic is over, would you consider a local meet and greet? So I was thinking about doing a meet and greet. Ironically, most of my followers are in New York City, so it works out for me out here. But I'm not sure where I would do it and when I would do it. So that's the biggest thing right now. So if I do it, I'm probably gonna do it in the summertime in New York City, like at a park or something like that, and see how that goes. But I'm not sure yet, guys. I want to but I'm not sure yet. Let me tell you something. Ice cream, it has that it has like a protein taste. I don't know if you guys, I think they use a lot of protein powder. They use protein powder to make this, but it has that taste, but it tastes so real. Like, let me try to bite this cone and see what it's gonna do. See that? Nah, that's a good cone. And the real little chocolate chips inside of it. But you know what's funny? It's keto, but these little fudge pieces are definitely like that dark chocolate, keto type of chocolate. Alright, I'm just being real greedy right now, so. Alright guys, so that basically wraps up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's mukbang / Q&A. I really enjoyed doing this type of video, and if you guys want more of these videos, let me know. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye!